All right, good evening, guys. Metaforce here, Tim Ackman. All right, I want to quickly show you something very real. Okay, I believe in realities. I believe in showing you the proof of what we say you should do and how it works. All right, this is just some few weeks in Metaforce, not up to a month. Okay, started this journey on December 19th, and we are just some days into January. Okay, 2023. And here on my dashboard is something I want to share with you. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the classic preview now. As you can see, I have some balance on my wallet. I have some like $45 worth of DAI. Okay, I've withdrawn a whole lot from this balance. Okay, so I'm going to show you how much I've been able to earn because I activated and opened up to 4 levels. Okay, I activated up to 4 levels. I actually started from level 1, 2, 3, and then I activated level 4. All right, so this is it, guys. When we tell you to get serious with it, open much levels and all that, it is because we know how profitable it's going to be for you, not just because of your effort. I've gotten privileges of spillover because there's an active team that I'm a part of. Also, because of course, you know that I, for a person, also I can't be on this opportunity without the referral link of a leader. Okay, so I got registered through my leader, and then I began to actively promote this because I know what is in stock for me in Metaforce. All right, this is level 1, guys. As you all know, level 1 requires an activation fee of $5. It requires an activation fee of $5, and the fact that I activated it with $5, the total revenue I've been able to accumulate from level 1 alone is $85. $85 worth of DAI. Because of course we are using DAI as the currency, the crypto coin that we're going to be using to activate levels, to buy levels, to interact in this smart contract. So I've got $85 worth of DAI in just level 1 alone. So we are going to do a calculation, guys. We're going to do a calculation together. So let me open up. Okay, 85. We have 85. Okay, $85 worth of DAI in level 1 alone. All right, so let's go ahead and look through all other levels. Okay, now level 2. On level 2, the total revenue that I've been able to accumulate on level 2 is $120 worth of DAI. So let's add that up to 85 plus 120. Okay, let's go back and check the earnings in the other levels. Now, level 3, also, I've been able to accumulate $120 worth of DAI. Okay, let's add that up plus 120. Okay, now we go to level 4, which is the highest level that I've been able to activate. On level 4, I've been able to accumulate $160 worth of DAI. So let's do the calculation of all of this total revenue that I've been able to accumulate in less than 1 month in Metaforce. I wouldn't be able to really accumulate all of this because I just registered and I left it to be. It's because I also worked actively, and I also got benefit of spillover because I opened much more levels. So it's advisable, guys, if you are someone that is not so strong with referrals, you can actually begin with as much funds as you want. Make sure that you are well set. Okay, make sure that you are well set, you are well positioned, because anything can happen. Okay, you guys, you were aware as I posted it on the group. There's someone on the group recently, I think yesterday, that got the benefit of spillover because of my own active effort. Okay, that's how it can be for you. At any time in your progress of being a part of this opportunity, you can get spillovers from anywhere in the system. It could be from me, it could be from my own upline, okay? It could be from anyone in the global participants. The spillover can come from anywhere, okay? So what you just need is just to be well positioned so that you won't lose earnings. Because of course you do not have enough strength for referral. You are only just learning. Okay, so as you make effort to learn, just make sure that you are well positioned, you are well activated on all of these higher levels, okay, so that you can earn maximally. Okay, so this is what we have here, guys. This is what we have here, guys. Now, this is something that is a result for less than a month on this opportunity. So let's calculate that. $485 in total. $485 times, we can get dollars converted on the exchanges for 760. We can actually get it exchanged for 760 or thereabout. So let's see. The total amount that I've been able to accumulate in Naira is over 300,000. It's actually 368,600 at the rate of 760. You can imagine what salary job presently in Nigeria can give you. I know there are some, but then at the comfort of your home, you are not under any boss, you are not under any pressure, and you are earning this kind of money and you are able to actually fund some certain needful dreams. Okay? So this is something that is real, guys. It is real. Very, very possible for anyone to achieve this in the space of 1 year. Yeah, I know that it might not be typical to you, but then you can learn. And one other thing that is peculiar is for those that are not really strong with referral, so long as you are well positioned, just like I said earlier, you can begin to earn. And as you wait for the opportunity to earn like that, you are learning progressively how to be better in marketing, how to be intentional with marketing. All right, there's no time to actually look at things and get skeptical or imagine failure before even you start. I hope you understand. Sorry. So don't imagine failure before you start. Start and then get better with it. This is something you don't have to joke with. It's not a small money, guys. It's not a small money. Okay, and this can be your reality too. So I just thought to share this with you to encourage you to begin with, and for those that are already on the opportunity registered and activated, make efforts to make your business better. If you can open much more levels from where you are, do that as your pocket allows. All right, cheers, guys, and have a great one.